Cool outside. Fayetteville continues to slip a little further down to 44 in Fayetteville. Now Bentonville officially into the 40s, 49 in Bentonville. Again, when I left the house earlier this morning around Pea Ridge, we were already into the mid 40s, just like Fayetteville. A few of our warmer spots holding out in some low 50s, but again, a mix of those chilly 40s showing up. Northwest Arkansas, mostly 50s scattered around the river valley here this morning. All right, we'll warm up into those lower to mid 80s for Northwest Arkansas. A touch warmer than yesterday. Yesterday we had some low 80s for our warmer spots. I think we could top out around 83, 84 in the warmer spots of Northwest Arkansas today. Another sun-filled afternoon. We're not tracking a whole lot of anything the next several days. The next couple of weeks, the only thing we may be tracking are just a couple of dry fronts coming in, cooling us back down every couple of days after we warm up a little bit. And we are going to warm up quickly here the next few days with this dry air in place. We're looking at temperatures more comfortable today in the river valley, more low to mid 80s scattered around, up to 84, 85 in the warmer spots after being in the upper 80s the last few days. Not quite as chilly going into tomorrow, but still cool, crisp. Another nice fall start to the day. Should see mostly 50s. Look at this quick turnaround. High pressure building in. You get the sinking air. It compresses. That's a warming mechanism. And quickly, this dry air can cool off overnight and it can warm up in the afternoon when that sun hits it. We're going to make a run for the upper 80s. Quick turnaround into tomorrow's heat for Northwest Arkansas. Upper 80s, low 90s in the river valley. Friday, even warmer. We're going to stay warm into the weekend. Look at Friday. We're on record watch. Fayetteville, record's 91. We've got you sitting right there at 91. And Fort Smith, the record's 94. Hopefully we don't get any closer. 92 is already warm enough for us, right? But we're going to stay warm into the weekend until our next front gets here. We've got these fronts now that are coming in every 4 or 5 days and cooling us back down a little bit. Front comes in late Sunday into Monday, kind of resets the table here. We'll see more of those 40s and 50s mixing in for lows, and we'll get some temperatures comfortable upper 70s, low 80s. So at least we're tracking some fronts coming through because there is not a lot else going on. And we even saw this late last week, saying, hey, there's a 14-plus day stretch there where the pattern is looking quiet for Oklahoma and Arkansas, and I'm still not seeing anything different here. Temperatures into the low 90s for the weekend in the river valley. Again, by the weekend, we'll start to notice that humidity mixing back in a little bit before that front clears that out of here Sunday night to Monday, knocking us back down into those 50s overnight and temperatures into the lower 80s. Again, long-range data, the next strong front could be somewhere around the middle of the month, 15th, 16th, somewhere in there. Maybe a strong enough push to give us one of our colder mornings, and then maybe just also strong enough to squeeze out some showers along that front. But outside of that, no big storm systems heading this way.
Humidity is just not a word I want to talk about right now.
At least it's not too bad, but it can add a little bit in there, make it a little uncomfortable. When you're into the 90s already, a little humidity goes a long ways, right?
Yeah. Well, it's nice outside this morning.